Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic fractions. The process for multiplying algebraic fractions is exactly the same as the steps used for multiplying ordinary fractions. The following rules are helpful. Number 1, multiply the numerators together. Number 2, multiply the denominators together. And number 3, simplify where possible. So let's look at some examples. Simplify each of the following algebraic fractions. Number 1, m over 2 times m over 3. So if we follow the rules in this box here, when we multiply m times m we get m squared, 2 3s are 6. The fraction stays the same because we cannot simplify it. So that is the answer. For number 2, 3y times 5y gives us 15y squared, and 4 2s are 8. The fraction stays exactly as it is because we cannot simplify it. When we multiply that fraction by this one, we get 3k over 5k. We can cancel 1k from the numerator and 1k from the denominator, and that leaves us with 3 over 5. So there's an example where this algebraic fraction can be simplified. Number 4. If we multiply those two terms together, we get 7w squared, that's the numerator, and 2 times 4w gives us 8w. If we cancel 1w from the numerator and 1w from the denominator, we get 7w over 8. Number 5, if we multiply those together, 5 4s are 20, mk times w squared gives us mkw squared. 3 9s are 27, w times k is wk. So we can cancel 1k from the numerator and 1k from the denominator, and 1w from the numerator and 1w from the denominator. So that gives us 20 mw over 27. Number 6, we multiply those three terms together. So when we multiply the numerators together, we get that term. When we multiply the denominators together, we get that term. Now we can cancel 120 over 48. 24 into 48 goes twice. 24 into 120 goes 5 times. So we have 5 over 2. Now, I've just put down the pronumerals or the letters exactly the same. If we cancel 1a from there and 1a from there, we cancel 1h from here and 1h from there, and we cancel m squared from there and m squared from there. We're left with 5h squared m over 2. So this is the simple fraction. So we've simplified that fraction to this one here. So this video has given us some examples to show us how to multiply algebraic fractions together. And basically we multiply the numerators together, then we multiply the denominators together, and then we simplify where possible.